What's up, YouTube? It is Sunday, October 29th. I think that's right. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I know I did. Got to hang out with some family and eat too much food. You know, the usual, right? But not looking forward to going back to work Monday, but it is what it is. So today I want to talk about, you know, we all have done some sort of modifications to our bike, even the smallest thing. Whether it's change out a peg or, you know, get a stage 1, 2, 3, 4 kit, what have you. What I want to talk about is like, so the past 4 years I've been doing some modifications to my bike a little bit at a time, because as you know, it can be expensive. It doesn't matter whether it's a Harley, an Indian, Honda, Kawasaki, Ducati, whatever it may be. It's going to be expensive typically, and for me, like I said, I did a little bit at a time. That's part of budgeting it, so to speak. And the other thing is how I handle the expenses, and that's what I want to talk about. Is I'm a bit of a frugal person, a cheap bastard is what some people would call me. And so how I typically do it is, I see something I want to modify the bike, whether it be lights, changing out, I don't know, shift levers, or changing out the color, going from chrome to get it powder coated, or just get a black part. What I've typically done is I have a Harley dealership that I wouldn't say it's too close to me. It takes me a couple hours to get there, but the thing is it's near where I grew up, which is not where I'm at now, obviously. But what I typically do is I wait until Black Friday, unless it's, you know, it's necessary that I buy something right now, like I need it for a trip, or it's a must item, right? Must have. But I typically wait till Black Friday, because this dealership that's about 2 hours away from me, it's actually called Wildcat Harley, and they have great deals on parts. You know, I typically get 20% off. So I'll just basically save my money and be like, okay, there's my motorcycle stash, my motorcycle reserve. And okay, I know what I want. Let me budget it. How much is it going to cost? I know I'm going to get that 20%. Well, also as part of figuring out what I'm going to buy, a wish list, basically, motorcycle wish list, I also use the Harley credit card, where you earn enough points, you get gift cards. So throughout the year, I just put my bills on it. And I'm sure some of you do this. I know Bronco Rods does it. Is just, you know, you have bills and you're going to pay them, right? Why not just put them on a credit card that you're going to get points for, and then pay it off, which is what I do. You know, it could be anything from gas in your vehicles, your motorcycle, you know, insurance bill, you know, just different types of things. I always use it when I'm traveling on vacation, but that's mainly because I don't like to use my debit card at gas pumps, or even when I'm traveling. I just feel like there's too much of a risk of someone getting your information, because I personally have had that happen to me, and I won't go into that. That's a different story. But yeah, like for example, I did my Black Friday shopping at this dealership, Wildcat Harley, this year. I bought a Saddelmen road sofa that is heated with a backrest, and I decided to go ahead and get the sissy bar pad to match it, because it's a lattice stitch. Now that was 20% off. That seat being heated, having the backrest, and adding the sissy bar pad, you're looking at over $1,000. Yeah, but take 20% off that. Okay, that's $200. Well, actually, it ended up being a little bit over $200 that I saved just in the discount. So why wouldn't you wait, right? The other thing is I accumulated $150 worth of gift cards with that Harley Visa card. Oh, give me a minute. There's a car. I don't know if they can see me. Alright, it's good. So I got the 20% plus the $150. You're looking at close to $400 I got off that, which was crazy. And I got a brand new seat, heated seat, backrest, sissy bar pad, like I said. And these are things that I've done for the past 4 years. I've always went to that Black Friday sale if I had something I needed to get. And I had a budget, right? You don't want to go in there and go crazy, because it sure is easy to do. But I just wanted to explain my cheap bastardness. It's like the old saying goes, the best things come to those who wait. So I waited. Now, like I said before, I have been in situations where, when I was talking about, you needed something, you couldn't wait. I needed luggage. I was going on a trip, and I had to have it. So luggage can be expensive. I bought the biggest luggage bag I could get, because I didn't know what all I needed. But it was a little pricey, but it is what it is. Sometimes those things happen. But I'm just curious, are these things that you might do? Like, and if it's not, I hope I've helped somebody in some way to maybe save some money. If you're willing to wait, and you're pretty good with managing money, and I know a lot of people may not have credit cards, and they're not good at managing credit cards, and I'm not going to tell you to get a credit card if you might go out and put a lot of money on it. But I just wanted to talk about how I save money, how I just budget everything. Everything's a budget to me. That's just kind of been my life. But I probably overkill. I mean, I've had people tell me, like, gosh, man, you're too much on the finances. I don't think so. But anyway, I'm just curious. I just wanted to tell you what I do to save money, and hopefully it can help you. And maybe this is something you already do, or maybe you have a few tricks up your sleeve that you might know about. But that's just kind of mine, and I wanted to share it. Again, I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always rip the ride. See ya.